Hi everyone, let's solve for the value of m. First, we are going to bring this to the other side, okay? So we have m squared minus m to the power of 3. So plus 3 over 64 becomes minus 3 over 64 is equal to 0. Now we have m to the power of 2 minus m to the power of 3. Now minus 3 over 64 is same thing as plus um 4 over 64, right? Minus 1 over 64. Sorry, minus 1 over 64 plus 1 over 64. Because 1 minus 4 will give us minus 3. So we are going to replace the whole of this with minus 4 over 64 plus 1 over 64 is equal to 0. So I'm going to rewrite this line so as to avoid mistake. What we have here is m squared minus m to the power of 3 minus 4 over 64 plus 1 over 64 is equal to 0. All right, so we have m squared minus m to the power of 3. Now, minus 4 will divide itself to give us 1, divide 64 to give us 16, right? Plus 1 over 64 is equal to 0. All right, now this is m squared minus m to the power of 3 minus 1 over 4 squared. Yes, that is it for this, because 1 squared is 1 and 4 squared is 16. Then plus 1 over 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. 1 to the power of 3 is 1 and 4 to the power of 3 is 64. Now we have cube, cube, and we have square, square. So let's bring them together. Let's collect like terms. So we have m squared minus 1 over 4 squared. Then we have minus m to the power of 3 plus 1 over 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Now we have m squared minus 1 over 4 squared, okay, minus, so this will change to what? This becomes, this plus 1 over 4 becomes minus 1 over 4 to the power of 3, while this minus m to the power of 3 becomes plus m to the power of 3. So we are going to have m to the power of 3, okay, and we are going to have minus 1 over 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. So that when this multiplies this, you get this back. And when this multiplies minus 1 over 4 to the power of 3, you still get this back. I hope I didn't confuse you by doing that. All right, now we are going to bring in the algebra identities. Yes, the one that says that for this a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. All right, then for this we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now if that is the case, that simply means that we can solve this as m minus 1 over 4, right, into m plus 1 over 4, okay, using this identity minus, then for this we are going to have a minus b, that is m minus 1 over 4, all right, then multiplied by m squared, right, plus ab, that is m times 1 over 4, which will give us m over 4, m over 4, plus b squared, which is what? 1 over 4 squared, 1 over 4 squared. All right, this is equal to 0. Now we are going to do this carefully to avoid mistake. Yeah, so from here, when you look at this, you see m minus 1 over 4, okay, and you have m minus 1 over 4 here as well. So we are going to factorize 1 out. So we have m minus 1 over 4, okay, open brackets. Now when this is divided by this, we have m plus 1 over 4, okay, minus, when the whole of this is divided by this, the whole of this will remain, right? So we have m squared plus m over 4, then plus 1 squared is 1 and 4 squared is 16, and this is equal to 0. Now if this is the first time you're seeing this amazing channel, please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload videos daily, yes, daily, so tune in at your convenience to watch for new uploads. Thank you very much. Now let's get back to work, okay. looking at what we have, we can see m minus 1 over 4 is here. All right, then here we have m plus 1 over 4. Now minus times m squared is minus m squared. Let's say over 1 over 1. Okay, then minus times plus m over 4 minus m over 4 minus times plus 1 over 6 minus 1 over 16 is equal to 0. So we have m minus 1 over 4. Then we have, let's collect like times, m and minus m over 4, right? M minus m over 4. Then plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 16. Plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 16. Then minus m squared is equal to 0. Okay, so we have m minus 1 over 4. Now the LCM here is 4. Okay, when 1 is divided by 4, we have 4. 4 times m is 4m. 4 divides itself, well, 1 times m is m. Okay, that is it for this. Then plus, then here the LCM is 16. When 4 divides 16, you have 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 16 divided by itself is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then minus m squared, okay, is equal to 0. So we have m minus 1 over 4. 4m minus m is 3m over 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 over 16 minus m squared is equal to 0. All right, now let's continue. From here, you can see that m minus 1 over 4 is equal to 0, right? And we can also say that 3m minus 4 plus 3 over 16 minus m squared is also equal to 0. Now we have m is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, so this is the first value of a, as you can see. Now for the second value of a, the second and third, we are going to get that from here. Now I want us to see that this is a quadratic equation, so let's try to bring m squared forward. Okay, so if we do that, we have minus m squared plus 3m over 4 plus 3 over 16 is equal to 0. Now we need to multiply through by minus 1 in order to remove this minus m squared. So if we multiply through, we now have plus m squared minus 3m over 4 minus 3 over 16 is equal to 0. Now to remove the fraction, we are going to multiply through by the LCM of the denominators. Now the LCM of 4 and 16 is 16. So we are going to multiply through by 16. So we have 16 into m squared minus 3m over 4 minus 3 over 16 is equal to 0. Hope you have given us a thumbs up yet, because I believe that you actually enjoy what we are doing. Now I'm going to copy the last line for us. So what we have there is 16 multiplied by m squared minus 3m over 4 minus 3 over 16. Okay, is equal to 0. Now we multiply 16 times m squared will give us 16m squared minus 3m over 4 times this. 4 we divide this to give us 4, right? So we are going to have 4 times 3m, which will give us 12m. Then minus 16 will cancel 16 to give us 3 only, is equal to 0. Now at this point, we can use the quadratic equation formula. And since we are looking for the value of m, we can say that m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. So m is equal to, our a is 16, our b is minus 12, our c is minus 13. A is the coefficient of m squared, 16. B is the coefficient of m, minus 12. And c is our constant, minus 3. So we substitute into this value, into this uh, quadratic equation formula to get that m is equal to minus 12 will give us plus 12, plus or minus square root of minus 12 squared, which is 144, minus 4ac, 4 multiplied by 16 multiplied by minus 3, right? Everything divided by 2a. So now we have m is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus, now 4 multiplied by 16 multiplied by minus 3 will give us minus 192, minus 190 because of this minus. Okay, everything divided by 2 times 16, which is 32. So we have that m is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144. Now minus minus will give us plus, okay, divided by 32. Now our m is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of, now what we have here is 336 divided by 32. Okay, now at this point, this 336, you need to factorize it and bring out a perfect square from it, that we can take a square root and it gives us a whole number. Okay, the only way to do that, let me show you, is we factorize this. Okay, we draw a line like this and we are going to bring out the smallest number that can. So 3 divided by 2 will give us 1 remainder 1. So what we have here is 13 now. 13 divided by 2 will give us 6 remainder 1, right? If we divide 16, we have 8, so we have 168. So we divide again by 2 to have 84. 2 we divide again to give us 42. 2 we divide to give us 21. Now 3 we divide to give us 7, and 7 we divide to give us 1. Now it's time to bring out the what is it called again? It's time to bring out the perfect square. Sorry. So we have 2 times 2 will give us 4, a perfect square, multiplied by 2 times 2 again will give us 4, another perfect square, then times 3 times 7 will give us 21. So you see that we have 4 times 4, 16, which will give us a perfect square, and 21. So that simply means that 16 times 21 will give us 336, and that is what we are going to use to factorize this. So we go back to what we have. Now this is what we are going to do. So we have our m, okay, to be equal to 12 plus or minus the square root of, now 336, you are going to replace it with 16 times 12. Okay, so we have 16 multiplied by 12 divided by 32. Okay, so m is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4. Then we have, sorry, multiply by 21. What am I saying? So we have 4 root 21 remaining here divided by 32. Okay, so we have m is equal to, let's factorize 4. Now 12 divided by 4 is 3 plus or minus 4 root 21 divided by 4 will give us root 21 divided by 32. Now we have m is equal to 4, we divide 32 to give us 8. So we have 3 plus or minus square root of 21 divided by 8. Now that simply means that these are the values of m. The first value of m is equal to 1 over 64. You can see that, right? So 1 over 4, sorry. Now the second value of m should be 3 plus root 21 divided by 8, while the third value of m is equal to 3 minus root 21 over 8. Thank you so much for watching.